Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Remember, cryptos are open 24/7, so this chart is going to continue to take shape. So if you're watching this video 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart may look a little bit different, but my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to do that by talking about more so broad levels, and then walking you through a couple questions, and then based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big question that hasn't really changed over the past few weeks has everything to do with the green line right here, which is 6,500. So the very first question you need to ask yourself, and again, we'll go with that 20-hour number. So you're watching this video 20 hours from now. The first question is, well, where's the price at relative to 6,500? And as long as you're answering that the price is up above there, then that implies that the big picture chart does still have an opportunity at making progress, which is bullish. Now, over the past 24 hours, there was this period right here where the price actually dropped down below it. But to give credit where credit's due, the price did fight back nicely and was able to, not only get back above 6,500, but then also, get up above, or back inside of, this range of the chart. So, things are starting to look maybe a little sketchy here. Again, you got to give credit. The bulls did do a good job of fighting back, but just the fact that the price was able to push down through that area, it's just something to keep an eye on. And then to kind of pile onto the idea of, maybe the chart's getting a little bit weaker, you look at this trend line right here, which is the next question to ask yourself, and that is, where's the price relative to that red line right there, which again is this downtrending trend line. If you're watching this video 20 hours from now and the price is, up above it, so it's at, let's just say 66.40, for example, well, that would imply that actually, the chart is gaining strength because there's a breakout underway. Now, if the price is below that red line, again, that doesn't mean anything, bad necessarily, as long as you're also answering the question that the price is still up above 6,500. So in other words, if you're, the current status of things is, well, the price is below that red line, but it's up above 6,500, well, then essentially just consolidation continues, and that would be the one word that could summarize it. But if the price is down below 6,500, that'd be very bearish. If the price is up above that red line, that would be a good sign on the bulls' part. So we'll see what things transpire over the next 24 hours, but I plan on getting things updated one final time before the weekend, tomorrow on Friday. So yeah, let's see how the next 24 hours play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.